Hey guys, good morning from Cayman Island. This is Georgetown, the capital. The weather is so nice, although it's cloudy today. So by the looks of it, I'm guessing they will take us to the shore with these boats. Let's see what happens. The celebrity cruise actually I think has the same itinerary which we have. So yesterday we saw the same cruise in Jamaica, today the same thing in Cayman Island.
Today, as you realize, we are using tender boats to transport all of you from the ship to shore.
So right now we are docked in the middle of the ocean at Cayman Islands. So from here they will take in a boat and the boat will take us to the island. So that's why first we had to take some tender ticket from this reception, and then when we will call number 40, we will go to the boat and then they will take us to the island. Yes.
This is not a country.
It's not a country, it's under British territory.
So we will show you what all things you can do in Georgetown. That's the capital of Cayman Islands.
We have boarded the boat. They are taking us from the cruise to the Cayman Islands.
That's where we are going. Thank you.
Welcome to Cayman Islands. So right now we are here at Cayman Islands, which is a British overseas territory, and it consists of 3 islands. Out of that, the Grand Cayman is the largest, where we are standing right now, where Georgetown, their capital, is located. And we will go to the 7 Mile Beach, which is one of their award-winning pristine sand beaches in the island.
This one, 7 Mile Beach. So from port, we have all these big taxis. It will take us to 7 Mile Beach.
That's $6 per person in this shuttle type.
Shuttle taxis. From here to the 7 Mile Beach, it's 4.4 kilometers.
Yeah.
Although we don't know for sure that if outside we'll get some cheaper one or not. Let's see. While coming back, we can check for those. So from the port, it should take around 10 to 15 minutes to go to the beach, because it's a straight route from port to the 7-Eleven beach.
There, yeah.
7 Mile Beach. You're watching our YouTube video. In the meantime, just go click on the follow button in the Instagram, because you'll get the live updates over there. Ciao.
Okay guys, we're here.
Thank you. Two.
She's renting chairs and umbrellas.
First dip in Cayman Island, Georgetown. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, it's cold. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go! So this is the market. They have food, beverage, jerk chicken, coco loco.
You want a deal? I can give you a deal.
So I guess that's the public bus stand which should take us to the port. Let's see. So let's see how much this public bus costs. Hi,
To the ship?
to this port?
Okay.
This one?
Yeah.
How much?
$5. 5 for 250 per person.
250 per person?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. While going to the beach, we took the private taxi shuttle, which was $6 each. But while coming back to the port, we took the public bus, only 2.5 per head. Oh my God.
I follow your channel, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Jamaica, but I work here for 9 years. This is my final.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You guys been to Jamaica already?
Yeah, we already.
Yeah, man.
Wagwan.
You guys take care.
Okay, hello, bye bye. Very expensive country. Which one? All $4? Have a nice day.
Fun fact about this island is a tax haven for multinational corporations and rich people, because this island territory doesn't have any corporate tax, so they can waive off some of their, if not all of their taxes, if they buy a property here or invest in something in this island. So this Cayman Island actually do not impose any taxes on their residents, and it's a tax neutral territory, and that's why people buy property, houses, hotel chains, everything, and invest of the taxes they earn from their own countries. As the tax burden is really low in this island territory, so the government mainly earns from import duties, because most of the cruises ports here, and from fees of financial services and from tourism. Cayman Islands is the third largest tax haven in the world after British Virgin Islands and Luxembourg.
From this port, you can directly take those excursion tour that ranges from $26 to $36 per adult. It's much cheaper as well, considering the Cayman Island expenses and everything. So you can do all those things. There are turtle tours, there are stingray tours, dolphin tours. So you can do this excursion. So we boarded the ferry from here to the cruise. Very windy today.
And we're going back to the cruise for lunch.
Cayman Island, baby.
As per the scheduled itinerary of this cruise, today is day 5, we are here at Cayman Islands, and tomorrow at day 6 we were supposed to be at Costa Maya in Mexico, but today morning we got to know that the weather is really bad there, like it's very windy, so it's not safe to go to that side, and that's why our Mexico plan is now cancelled, and tomorrow will be an sea day, and the very next day we will be again back to Bahamas. But we have already traveled to Mexico back in 2020, and it was a 15-day trip, and we covered 5 cities with one of our favorite till date, that's Rio Lagatos in Mexico, and we have a complete travel guide on YouTube. You can definitely find the Mexico playlist somewhere coming up here, and we will also link in the description. So yes, tomorrow is again a sea day, and again we'll be back to Ocean Cay in Bahamas.
So right now we are going to theatre. This is the first time in day 5 we are going, because we are lazy people and sleepy, early sleepers.
And hopefully we will stay awake a bit longer to join the silent disco party.
welcome to the stage your host, your cruise director, Monica!
Buonasera, buonasera signori, grazie per essere
This is the class today. So we are right now first in line for the silent disco.
Silent disco.
Yeah, we need to.
Very good. Let's do. You have the button over here. You press the button to change the song.
Oh,
Okay, there are 3 types of music.
okay.
If you are the same color, that's when you listening
Same
to the same
music.
song. Thank you so much.
Okay, perfect.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Got our headsets and there are 3 types of songs and we can change our songs from here, and if the colors are matching, that means we are tuning in the same song. So now is 5:45 a.m. We just woke up and this is the condition of the weather right now. And that's the reason Mexico got cancelled, because we are passing through that channel. So we're passing by Havana and Cuba side. That side is Mexico and we cannot see the horizon. The waves are crazy right now. So it's good that we are not going that side. Otherwise, Titanic factor.
Car A2, you will get a proper sea view. Today they have all Indian food. It looks delicious. It tastes delicious.
What's over there? 5, 6, 8, 7. What's the
the infinity now. Oh, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. So this is the infinity. 1, 2, 3 and hot water jacuzzi. So today is Italian night. That's the reason the table actually decorated with Italian flag, and most of the today's menu is Italian. So let's see what we order today.
Alright, for this amazing hard-working team here. We celebrate Italian night!
Bon appetit today!
This MSC World Cruise.
Coming up in 2024, and this is the starting price.
What do you say, guys? Should we do that? Please do comment in the comment section.
And subscribe so that we can afford it. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till this end, and if you have loved this episode and you're enjoying our cruise series, do hit that subscribe button and share this one with your friends and family.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get all the cruise notification. Till then,
Follow them, friends.
bonjour. Whatever. Yeah, bonjour. Sorry,
The Cayman Islands, the residents of this island actually are.
So, let's travel Cayman Island, baby.
There's nothing to travel here today.
So we'll go back, baby.
But the country they seem to be headed.
Yeah. Cayman Island, baby.
And we have a complete guide.
Travel guide.
And we have a complete travel guide.